Today we're exploring Hyacinth Care, popular bulbs known for their fragrance and color. When to plant hyacinths? Plant them in fall when temperatures drop. They need this cold period to bloom properly in spring. In milder climates, early winter works too. For indoor growing, try forced bulbs that have been treated to bloom during fall or winter. These prepared bulbs have already gone through their cooling period, making them ready to grow when planted. Remember to apply fungicide before planting to prevent moisture problems. Perfect placement. Indoors, place them in bright light for quick blooming or in cooler spots with indirect light to make flowers last longer. The light level affects both bloom time and how long flowers stay fresh. Outdoors, they need plenty of sunlight to develop strong stems and vibrant blooms. Morning sun with afternoon shade works well in hotter regions, while full sun is best in cooler areas. Soil and feeding. Hyacinths need rich, well-draining soil. Mix in warm castings or compost for nutrients. Good drainage is crucial. They need consistent moisture but cannot tolerate soggy conditions that lead to bulb rot. If your soil is heavy clay, add sand or perlite to improve drainage. If your hyacinth has been in the same spot for more than a season, use potassium-rich fertilizer to improve flowering and strengthen the plant. Watering. Keep soil consistently moist, never waterlogged, especially during flowering. Check potted plants more frequently as they dry out faster than garden plants. For potted hyacinths, try this. Place a water-filled saucer under the pot but elevate it with rocks so the pot isn't sitting directly in the water. This creates humidity without risking bulb rot. Want to try water growing? Place a bulb in a container with only the base touching water, and soon you'll see roots and shoots developing. Change the water weekly to keep it fresh. Blooming. These plants naturally bloom in spring, filling spaces with fragrance and color. Different varieties offer colors from deep purple to pink, white, yellow, and blue. Can't wait for spring? Try forcing, a technique that encourages these plants to bloom during winter months. Pre-chilled bulbs are planted in soil or placed in water, kept cool until roots develop, and then moved to a warmer, lighter location to encourage flowering. Bulb preservation. Did you know that you can reuse the bulbs? So once flowers fade, cut the flower stem but leave the leaves until they dry out completely. They are recharging the bulb. Continue watering while the leaves are green and then reduce as they yellow. When leaves are completely dry, dig up the bulb, clean it, and store it in a box with dry sand in a cool, ventilated spot. This rest period helps the plant store energy for next season. Finally, replant in fall, spacing bulbs about 6 inches apart and deep. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.